Welcome to Goal Writing. Well-written behavioral goals make all the difference in whether or not students achieve change. Behavioral goals must be written to facilitate progress monitoring, written to capture what is expected of the student operationally, and written to track the student's response to interventions. Most importantly, they need to be specific. Behavioral goals must be specific in order to influence academic skill development, functional skill development, social and emotional growth, and even quality of life. The more specific they are, the more sure we can be that they're meeting the student's needs and that we're seeing the growth we need to see. 3 types of goals should be considered for a student. First of all, the FERB. Increasing the conditional use of a functionally equivalent replacement behavior as an alternative to the problem behavior is probably the most common goal we'll see in a behavior plan. We should also consider eliminating or reducing the frequency, intensity, or duration of the problem behavior as a goal. In addition, we can look at developing new general skills that remove or reduce the student's use of the problem behavior. Checkpoints to remember. Be sure to write at least one goal that teaches a functionally equivalent replacement behavior, and be sure that the FERB is truly a FERB and not just a more desirable general positive behavior. Remember, a FERB has to serve the same function as the problem behavior, and be sure to write one or more additional goals to monitor increasing skill acquisition or decreasing or eliminating problem behaviors to support that growth and change. Remember, behavior can take up to 6 to 8 weeks to change. Nothing happens overnight. We need to be patient and consistent and remind all stakeholders to be patient and consistent. We also need to honor the approximation. As students take steps towards change, we need to support them and applaud their growth. Goals are used primarily as action plans for what the staff will do to shape, model, and cue in behavior in positive environments.